Hi guys, this is Skylar here. I am going to do a hunting video at Walmart and Target, but I just went to GameStop today. They did have the Disney Infinity Day. They had a whole bunch of exclusive controllers and storage. And today I just got a poster and the Phineas and Ferb pack. There's them in the box, and we're going to unbox them. So let's just get right to it. It wasn't on the shelf though. It was actually in the. I don't know how to describe this. It was in the back. Yeah. So I will be doing a giveaway code. Since they did come out today, but here is their little code, and then there is the code. There we go. There's the code, guys. First one to get it. Oh, you gotta pause it too. So first one to get that code gets the code. Let's get this started. What's that? Yeah. Okay, so here's Phineas up close. There's the eye. Sorry if the light is really bad, guys. Here, that's better. That's really cool. That's pretty cool. Let's get these power discs out. Oh my god. I'll be right back, guys. I just dropped the power disc on the other side of the room. Don't mind it's squeaky, it's rainy outside and wet. So here is the first power disc you'll get. And here is the second power disc you'll get. Well, that was easy. Here is Perry, sorry. Wow, this guy is really nice. Has lots of detail. Look at that. You can see he has like a tongue. If you can't see it, he does like a tongue. So their bases are like basically green, like grass and such. So subscribe, like, and before I go, people in my other videos, I appreciate those would be cool names, but sadly I don't have the extras of those, and I don't have any money to spend on them. So like Riptide, they said seaweed for Omega 8.5. One of them said for Trap Shadow, I'm not gonna get another Trap Shadow for $16. I have not enough money for that. It has to be like the ones that I showed in my last video. They have to be those. You have to name those characters. So I'm gonna get you guys an extra day. End of tomorrow. So like at 7 something, I will make a video. So subscribe, like, and please join Liam Skylander Club. Bye.